What's up guys, Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2009 Harley Davidson Ultra Classic. Guys, this bike's in great shape. It's got right around, I think, 78,000 miles on it. It's going to be crazy cheap. It's a 96 cubic inch, obviously, with the 6-speed. I love the Ultra Classic. It's a great bike. It's a great bike if you want to get a Street Glide, but you don't want to pay Street Glide money. You just rip some of the stuff off an Ultra Classic. Boom, you got a Street Glide. Just notice it's got these really cool black Redder passenger bags. I like that. Guys, this was dealer maintained. It was owned by an individual, but it was maintained at 2 specific dealers that we worked with. It's got a huge, that's really nice. That's huge when you have 78,000 miles. You know that they maintained it at a Harley dealer. They weren't trying to do things themselves too much. They were taking it in and getting their oil change and getting everything, you know, maintained. Let's start here in the back. In the top case, looks like he had some stuff up in there. Some tiny little scratches. This is super common. I mean, it's got some wear. Obviously, he used this for what he was supposed to. It's a Harley Davidson rack itself with the tail light. It's got Vance and Hines. So all looks pretty good back here. Top, a couple of, if you can see, a couple little scuffs up in the bags. It's pretty common when you got stuff dangling out. Sometimes you shut it and then it scratches. It's not really a big deal. Top of the case has got a couple little scratches on it. You can see there, Like I said, once again, super common. Helmet lock here. Let's get these. I love the look of these black passenger pegs. Don't know why I'm so fixated on those. Tender. Tank's in great shape. I actually had the same logo on my Ultra. I love this embossed logo. 96 cubic inch, 6-speed. It's a big jump up, guys. If you get a 5-speed 88 versus a 96.6, it just feels like it's got more room on the highways. Tire tread is in good shape. I love these front rims. Front fairing is in pretty good shape. You know, obviously it's gotten some abuse over time. Some tiny little scuffs and stuff. Tiny little scuffs. Some of this could be some bugs as well. Got these little lips or visors on the lights. Got a couple little scuffs over here. It's not really a big deal, guys. I mean, you're gonna run into this if you take it on any trip. Somebody with 70,000 miles was obviously riding some distance. It's pretty common. He upgraded the horn, which is a great upgrade. I'm actually surprised he didn't upgrade the lights. That's a pretty common upgrade when most people do, you know, concerned about safety on long trips and stuff. Scuffs around the top of these bags. He traded this on a brand new bike. That's how we got it. Well, we actually got it from auction, but he traded on a brand new bike, and we know the dealer that was selling it. Armrests, Harley Davidson armrests. So obviously he was concerned about his passenger, which is pretty awesome. He's got these crazy ugly spider cases over the rear speakers. Like I said, guys, 78,000 miles, but listen to this. So I, turn it on, fire it up. The common issue with these is the starter clutch. Obviously you didn't hear it click at all. It means the bike is so worried. He has issues fixing it. Bike's been this well maintained mechanically and physically too. I really don't have any problem with it having this kind of miles. I mean, this thing could do 150,000 miles easy if you continue to maintain it. You could double the miles already on it. Like I said, guys, this bike's gonna be pretty cheap. It's our only Ultra in right now, Ultra Classic. It's our only. We have 2 Road Glide Ultras, but it's only Ultra Classic. But like I said, guys, let me know if something you're interested in. This bike's gonna be super cheap. But thanks a ton for watching, guys.